Hey guys, Buzz here. So in this video, we're gonna take a look at a very portable instant boiling water machine. And this is from the brand JMEY, or I think they pronounce it as a silent J, as May, or let's just call it JMEY. So this is the product. It's, as you can see, it's very portable. So it's very good for home, office, or for traveling. The main feature for this product is to instantly boil water for about 3 seconds. So this is pretty useful if you want to have some instant coffees, or you just need some hot water. All right, so let's take a look at it, what's in the box, and let's see if it really works. But before that, let's take a look at the box. Here is the product itself, and the weight is about 0.9 kilogram, and everything here, it's in Chinese. But what we know here is, I think it's the M2 model. The size is about 88 by 96 by 185 mm. It has a 1500 watts, 220 volts, and I think that's about it. All right, so let's open it. Okay, so it includes a tube. This is very useful if you have like a 1 gallon of water, and you just need to put this one inside. We have the adapter, and this one, I think this one is for the top part where the water is coming in. And we have the product itself. Okay, so the instructions are all in Chinese, so I'm not really sure what it means. But I think this is pretty basic, so let's just try this one later and see if it really works. So there's some simple instructions here, but everything is all in Chinese, so I can't really understand. I just noticed that there's a suction, 4 suctions at the bottom part, which is pretty good. It's actually pretty helpful so that it won't fall down easily. And here is where the part that you put in the water. It's on top. All right, so now we've already opened this one up. I've also bought a product from JMEY. This is actually optional if you want to buy it or not. But this is the water tank for this model. You can actually choose that not to buy this if you don't want to. Now, this is just a simple water tank here. A very small one. It's 1.3 liters. The product is really nice. The design is very simple and modern. And also the quality build is, it's plastic, but it's very well built. So what you have to do is just remove this cover, and you just put this one here. Let's just push this one, and we're good to go. All right, so including the water tank, this is gonna be like this big, but it's actually pretty small. So we'll try to fill this one with water. Let's turn it on and let's see how it works.
A few moments later.
All right, so I've already turned it on. I've also filled it with water for about half of it. Some LED indications here for the temperature that you want. So it's gonna lock itself if you're not gonna use it. That's for safety reasons. There is a touch button here on top indicating for that lock button there. So we just need to hold it down. Then we choose the temperature. We can choose the temperature that we want. If you really want like a very hot boiling water, then you choose the 99. If you want like your coffee to be not so hot, then you go for the 25 to 45 degrees Celsius. Or you can also go for like higher temperatures like 65, 85, and lastly is the 99, which is the boiling hot water. All right, so let's test it out if it can really give us a really hot water, boiling water. Let's use this cup. All right, so first we unlock it first. As you can see, there's a button here on top, and it's indicating that it's not locked anymore. Let's try to choose the 99, which is the boiling water. And we turn it on, pressing this one. And as you can see, it really do work for about 3 seconds there. Then it's really working. Now if you want to stop it, you just have to press this one again. And the water is, wow, that's amazing. I mean, it's really hot. Like really hot. So it really does work. For about 2 to 3 seconds, it was able to instantly like boil the water to about 99 degrees Celsius. I can't even drink this, it's too hot. All right, so let's step this one aside. And this time we're gonna use another cup for another temperature, which is 45 degrees. And let's see if the temperature is really different or it's also the same. All right, so again, let's unlock it first since it's locked. And we choose 45 degrees and we turn it on. And yeah, the water is not too hot anymore, so it does work. And you can actually drink this one right away since it's not too hot. All right, so what do I think about this product? Well, actually, I really find it really cool. I mean, it's very small, very portable, and the design is also not bad. I don't mind all the Chinese words. This can actually replace my big dispenser at home, which is definitely taking a lot of space in my kitchen. And I don't usually use the cold water for the dispenser. I usually use that hot water for the dispenser most of the time. And also for those people who don't want to like keep on refilling this 1.3 tank here because you're consuming a lot of hot water, then you definitely have the option to use this hose here for putting it on a 1 gallon of water. You can also use this adapter. This adapter is for those like small bottles of water where you can just put this one here and you put the bottle on top of it and you can use that as the source for the boiling hot water. That will definitely make it very portable, especially if you're traveling a lot and you need to like transfer the workstation from one place to another and you need hot water. So this is definitely a big help for you. All right, so that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want to buy this product, I've put the link down on the description below. If you find this helpful, you can always subscribe to support my channel. And also you can hit that like button down below. Again, thanks for watching. I'm Kuya Buzz, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.